IVF or in vitro fertilization. It's a medical process which helps couples have a baby when they are facing trouble conceiving naturally. Now, this might sound complicated, but you know what's even more complicated? The misconception people have about IVF. So, today on World IVF Day, we have a special guest with us to share some insights on IVF. The amazing Dr. Gunjan Gupta. She is the lady behind one of the most successful IVF chains in North India, Gunjan IVF World. Welcome, Dr. Gunjan. Thank you so much, Dr. Gunjan,
My pleasure.
for taking out the time and coming here speak with us today. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate you on your accolades. Gunjan IVF World winning the IVF Chain of the Year Award North Zone by Economic Time. So how does it feel, Dr. Gunjan?
Honestly, Rituka, it feels absolutely fantastic, and I feel blessed that we have won this award second time in a row. Thanks to our experienced team and also our innovations in the field of IVF, which has given us excellent results over the years, which has helped us in achieving these targets.
Well, that's fantastic to hear. It is clear that you and your team have made a significant impact. So to start off, could you please tell us what inspired you to specialize in IVF field?
You know, that's interesting and very important as well. You know, Rituka, I was the eldest of the three daughters, and I realized very soon the respect of women in our society is actually limited. But my father was a visionary, he educated us and we became doctors, and I started practicing gynae. But soon I realized that the respect of the woman in our society is by her being a mother. And you know, it is only and only my patients, their tears, their agonies that forced me to go from gynae to IVF and give them a baby. You know, they would sit in front of me and cry and for hours, and they say, Dr. Gunjan, we are not leaving you till you give us a baby. Or fact is कि आज भी ये मैं बातें सुनती रहती हूँ, and I feel really blessed to give them that happiness.
That's amazing to hear, Dr. Gunjan. So today on World IVF Day, we have a great opportunity to answer all the common questions which generally couples have about IVF. So are you ready for the rapid fire round, Dr. Gunjan?
Absolutely.
So great, here we go. IVF or test tube baby? What is the actual difference between these two terms?
Well, IVF stands for in vitro fertilization, which simply means forming a baby outside the human body. And similarly, so the layman term for IVF is test tube baby. It simply is that the baby is formed in the lab, in the dishes outside the human body.
Second question, are IVF babies healthy and normal? Because a lot of people have misconception that IVF babies are not healthy and not normal.
It's a very good question, Ritika. What do you think? Well, I'll answer that. You know, IVF babies are as normal and as healthy, and I will add on a word, as natural as their counterparts. They are just the same. You can never differentiate between the two. They are born with a little bit of science and lot of blessings, just like others.
Third question, is IVF successful? Because many people have misconception that IVF success rate are very low.
I know it's true. It is a very common myth. People feel कि IVF तो successful होता ही नहीं है, जो भी कर लो. When IVF came, it started, the success rate was 20 to 30%, and even majority of the places the success rate may be somewhere around 50-60%. But I can say if you choose a good center which has good result like ours, our success rate is easily around 60 to 70%. So it is a very, very established and successful technique.
Our fourth question, what if the husband has zero or no sperm? Can IVF still be done?
Well, actually IVF is a boon for them because there are certain simple but specialized techniques by which we can extract the sperm of the husband like PISA, TISA, microtesa. I will not get into it. And with the extractor, even with the single sperms, we can inject into the egg and have a baby.
So my next question is, what about women who have low AMH, and what is this AMH and how does it affect fertility?
So Rituka, AMH stands for the word anti-Mullerian hormone, and it actually reflects the number of eggs in a woman's ovary. As she ages, the number of eggs decrease and so does the AMH, but sometimes it is low even in young women. If the value is less than 1, it is significant and it's time that she should definitely consult an IVF or a fertility specialist. If less than 0.5, it is really an alarm bell. So please rise up to it. It is very, very important. Don't sit on low AMH.
So my next question is infertility an age-related issue? Because I've heard so many people advising that have a baby before 30 or max by 35. So is it actual, true, or just another misconception?
Well, I will like to be very, very clear here, because age and fertility is an absolute reality. जैसे जैसे आपकी उम्र बढ़ती है, your fertility declines. Best have the baby young as possible. And as you age near 30, आपके chromosomes में problem हो जाती है due to age itself, and also because of environmental factors like pollution, alcohol, smoking and other things. So please have your baby early. Naturally, IVF, non-IVF, doesn't matter. Have a baby early.
So our next question is, what is the meaning of IVF success rate, baby or something else?
Well, a lot of centers only talk about IVF success rate, but here I will like to talk about what matters is the take home baby rate. मतलब आपका IVF तो सक्सेसफुल हुआ ही हुआ और आप बेबी भी घर लेके गए. So हम विश्वास करते हैं खुशियों की गूंज घर पे लाने में, and that is why Gunjan IVF World says that our take home baby rate is more than 80% and take home खुशियों की गूंज.
Wow. So my next question is IVF expensive and unaffordable? Because infertility rates are increasing day by day because of our changing lifestyle, and people still try to avoid IVF because of money. So what do you have to say on this?
I know the concern around cost is very, very common in IVF, but actually IVF cost जो होती है ना is almost comparable to any other common treatments like लोग skin, hair treatments वगैरह करवाते हैं. They spend much more in Botox, fillers and all those things. And आप एक गाड़ी लेने जाओ, you spend lakhs there. IVF में तो बहुत ही minimal होती है उस comparison में. So IVF की cost is somewhere around 1.25 to 1.5 lakhs only. And what do you get at the end of the day? You get a baby. उसकी तो कोई कीमत ही नहीं है ना रितुका. It is priceless.
True. So Dr. Gunjan, my next question is, why does IVF take so much time?
Well, honestly, IVF does not take that much time. You know, अगर हम एक single cycle में कई बार transfer करते हैं तो it takes almost only 3 weeks. Otherwise, maximum the treatment duration is around 6 to 8 weeks. Yes, sometimes if there is any problem which requires to be treated, because IVF is all about optimizing internally and then doing a transfer and getting the best results, तो कभी-कभी time ज़्यादा लग सकता है. और यहाँ पे मैं बस एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगी, more than the duration, it is the result which important. So अगर 2 महीने ज़्यादा लग के result positive है, it doesn't matter really.
True. So here we come on our last question, Dr. Gunjan. Last but not the least, can the science of IVF be trusted? Because a lot of people hope and their money is associated. So what is the surety?
Well, absolutely, Rituka. It is a well-established science. You know, when was the first baby was born of IVF? Way back on 25th July 1978.
Wow.
And that is why we celebrate World IVF Day. So it is an established science. After that, millions and millions of babies have been born through IVF. And now coming to the surety part. Well, the surety we need to understand is of the IVF center, the team, the embryologist. So they have to be qualified, dedicated, and it should be a good center that you have to take the judgment on. Otherwise, it is a well-established science. So it is.
So thank you so much, Dr. Gunjan, for answering these burning questions. I am sure that this session is going to help a lot of couples out there who have queries about IVF. So before we wrap up, I heard that you have an exciting new initiative to announce. So please go ahead.
Thank you, Rituka. Today, as you know, is 25th July, World IVF Day. And on this occasion, Gunjan IVF World is launching its new initiative, Baat Karo, Shuruaat Karo. See, as you know, when the couple comes to us with IVF, they have a lot of queries and questions and they want answers. Of course, as doctors, we answer all their queries. मगर हमेशा लगता है कि काश हम उससे बात कर पाते जिसका IVF खुद हुआ हो, who has gone through this journey themselves.
True.
So, for that, you can message us directly or give us a call, and our patient journey advisor will connect you through a couple who has gone through this journey and help you out. So this is our new initiative.
So patients who have undergone treatment, you mean only successful cases?
See, generally IVF का success rate अच्छा है, तो you can talk to people who have undergone through the procedure and patients who have had success. बट देर आर सम पीपल जिनका एक बार में नहीं भी सक्सेस हुआ होगा. सो दोनों का पर्सपेक्टिव जानना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू स्पीक टू द पीपल एंड अंडरस्टैंड द जर्नी इन टोटल.
So this is a really good initiative by Gunjan IVF मैम, एंड ऐसा शायद ही कोई करेगा.
या आई नो, बट हम इसलिए कर रहे हैं जैसे कि कपल का कॉन्फिडेंस रहे, दे आर कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट अस, देयर जर्नी, and most important, their end result, that is a baby.
So that sounds wonderful, Dr. Gunjan. Thank you so much for sharing insight, and all the very best for this new initiative, and wish you a very happy IVF day.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.